We are going to start the topic. Today we are going to start the topic chemistry. In our today's class, we are going to study the topic chemistry. Right. So it's getting loud. It's getting loud. Right. So we are going to today we are going to study the topic basic of the chemistry. In the basic of this chemistry, you have to identify that there are how many elements are there? How many elements are there in nature? Right. Can you please reply how many elements are there? How many elements, artificial or otherwise natural, or how many elements are there? Can you please reply how many elements are there? Right. Note this one. There are 105 elements. There are 105 elements in the periodic table. In the periodic table, there are 105 elements. But in nature, there are 192 elements exist. Right. 92 elements exist in the nature. Right. So that I am gonna tell you this one for your information. In these elements, we are going to study 20 elements. We are going to study 20 elements and some other elements also. Right. You must know about the 20 elements. Right. I am going to give you this one is I will open an image of a periodic table and I'll let you inform you that the periodic table with 20 elements. Right. So this is the periodic table. This one, and like this, and this one. These are the modern periodic table. Right. Who found the modern periodic table? Who is the founder of the modern periodic table? Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. Who is the founder of the modern periodic table? Any guessings? Any guessings? Right. Dmitry Mendeleev. Right. So The founder or the father of modern periodic table is Dmitry Mendeleev. And we are going to study the right, okay. Now we are going to study the 20 elements. Can you say the 20 elements? I think you might have studied in grade 9 the first 20 elements of the periodic table. I think. Did you? Did you study? Did you study the 20 elements? Or can you please say the 20 elements? Right. Your answer is right. Okay, very good. So that now, first one, I am going to tell you some, I am going to write the symbols of the elements and you are going to find what's the name of that element. First one, I am writing H. Now you tell me, what is this element? Now you tell me, what is this element?
Hydrogen.
Right, very good. Second one, A, capital H, small e. What's that?
Hydrogen.
Yeah. First one is hydrogen.
Helium.
Yes, very good. Second one is helium. Right, tell me the third one. Right, Li. What's that?
Lithium.
Right, okay. Be, what's that? Yeah, Be, can you hear that?
Lithium.
Yeah, lithium, Li, lithium, and then Be.
Beryllium.
Right, okay. Next one, B.
Beryllium.
No, Be, beryllium. B.
Boron.
Yes, very good. Boron. Next one, C.
Carbon.
Yes, very good. Next one, N.
Nitrogen.
Next one, O.
Oxygen.
Very good. Next one, F.
Fluoride.
Fluorine, fluorine. Next one, Ne. Ne.
Neon.
Yes, very good. Next one, Na.
Neon.
Yeah, Ne, neon, very good. Next one is,
Sodium.
right, very good, sodium. Next one, Mg.
Sodium.
Okay, sodium, Na, sodium. Okay, next one, Mg.
Magnesium.
Right, very good. Next one, Al.
Magnesium.
Okay, very good.
Aluminium.
Yes, aluminum. Next one, Si. Next one, Si.
Silicon.
Yes. Next one, P.
Phosphorus.
Yes. Next one, yes.
Sulfur.
Right, very good. Next one, Cl.
Chlorine.
Yeah, chlorine. Next one, Ar.
Argon.
Very good. Next one, K. Next one, K.
Potassium.
Right, very good. Can you please tell the last one?
Potassium.
Yes, very good. Can you please tell the 20th one?
Calcium.
Okay, what's the symbol of that?
Ca.
Right, very good. Ca. This is the basic 20 elements we are going to study. Okay, clear? Is that clear? We are going to study these 20 elements. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Right. In these 20 elements, if we divide the elements vertically like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this, we tell that group. Always the groups are in Roman number. So Roman number 1 and Roman number 2.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Your voice is not clear.
Okay, right. So I will adjust the Wi-Fi. Right. Now, okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. If we divide the numbers elements like this horizontally, first one, second one, third one, we call that groups. Is that clear? We call that groups.
Yes, sir.
Right. So first, second, third, next one, Roman number. Groups are always in Roman numbers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many groups are there in the
8 groups.
8 groups? And if we divide this horizontally, if we divide this vertically, that is group, and horizontally we call that periods. So how many periods are here? 1.
Period.
Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, and the last one is
4.
yes, last one is 4. So there are four periods and 8 groups in the first 20 elements. So now you tell me what are the elements belongs to group 1? What are the elements are there belongs to group 1 from these 20 elements?
Hydrogen.
Yes, hydrogen. Next
Helium.
one, lithium. Next one,
Lithium. Sodium.
okay,
Potassium.
potassium. So these 4 elements are for first group. Right. What are the elements belongs to the second group? What are the elements belongs to second group?
beryllium,
Okay, beryllium,
magnesium,
magnesium,
calcium.
calcium. Okay. Now you tell me what are the elements belongs to group 3?
Boron,
Boron,
aluminium,
aluminum. Then what are the elements belongs to group 4?
carbon, silicon,
Right, okay. Then for the group 5,
nitrogen, phosphorus,
yes, very good. Group 6,
oxygen,
oxygen,
sulfur,
sulfur, very good. Next, group 7,
fluorine,
group 7, first one,
fluorine,
okay, fluorine. Next one,
chlorine,
yes, very good. Fluorine, chlorine. Right, for the 8th group,
helium,
helium. Next one,
neon, argon.
neon, argon. Right. So if we going to number these elements, for example, hydrogen 1, helium. If I put hydrogen 1, then what's the number for helium? 2, right? The serial number.
Yeah.
2. Next one. For the lithium. Tell me 1, 2,
3,
3. Yes. Next one, beryllium.
4,
4. Yes, tell me. For next element, boron.
5,
And 6, 4.
carbon,
7, 4.
nitrogen,
Okay. 8, 4. 8, 4.
nitrogen,
Very good. 7 for nitrogen. 8 for.
oxygen,
Okay. 9 for.
oxygen,
Yes. Very
yeah.
good. 9 for.
Fluorine,
Yeah. Fluorine. 10 for.
fluorine,
Yes. Very good.
neon,
Yes. 11 for.
sodium,
12 for.
magnesium,
13 for.
aluminium,
Yes. 14 for.
silicon,
Yes. 15 for.
phosphorus,
16 for.
sulfur,
17 for.
chlorine,
18 for. 18 for.
argon,
Yes. 19 for.
potassium,
Yes. The last one, 20 for.
calcium.
Right. Do you have any idea of why we putting these numbers in the serial numbers? Do you have any idea what we call these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. We call these atomic numbers. Atomic numbers. Clear? Right. Is that clear? What is the name of these elements? What is the name of that
Yes, sir.
numbers? What 1, 2, 3, 4? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. How we call that numbers? the name of the elements is atomic numbers. Is that clear? Is that clear? The name of this number is atomic number. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. So keep this in your mind. These all are atomic numbers. So now you tell me, what is the atomic number of aluminium? What is the atomic number of aluminium?
13.
Yeah, very good. Right. Which element belongs to the atomic number 20? Which element belongs to the atomic number 20?
Calcium.
Right. Okay. Now you are clear with this. Right. So can you copy this one?
Yes, sir.
Right. I am gonna erase it. So can you copy this? If it is easy for you, you can take the screenshot of this one. After taking screenshot or writing this in your exercise book, please let me know. After that we are going to move to the next lesson. Did you take the screenshot or are you writing? After finishing the writing or taking the screenshot, please let me know. Right, okay. So you have already copied down. Now we are going to study the electronic configuration. Now put the heading electronic configuration. The heading is electronic configuration. The heading is electronic configuration. Right. Right, okay. No need to write. If you take the screenshot, that will be okay. Right, so electronic configuration, the electrons in the atoms are in the shells. The electrons in the atoms are in the cells one by one cell. We can call this first cell. If it is atom or nucleus of the atom, this is the first cell. This is the second cell. This is the third cell. This is first cell, second cell, third cell. Electrons are here in the cells. In the first cell, there is only 2 electrons. Above 2 electrons, there cannot be found above 2 electrons in this first cell. In the second cell also, there can be found 8 electrons. In the third cell also, there is 8 electrons. In the last cell, there can be 32 electrons. Is that clear? Is this clear for you? You can write or take a screenshot or copy it down. Is this clear for you? Can you please reply?
Yes, sir.
Right. There's a nucleus of the atom in the center, and in the first cell there are 2 electrons. Second cell 8 electrons. Third cell also 8 electrons. Fourth cell 32 electrons. It means there cannot be more than 2 electrons in the first cell. There cannot be more than 8 cells in the second shell. There cannot be more than 8 electrons in the third cell. There cannot be more than 32 electrons in the fourth cell. Right. Now I am going to write the electronic configuration. So I am erasing it. Right. So I am erasing it. And now I am gonna write the electronic configuration of the first element. Right. First element is hydrogen. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? Tell me, what is the atomic number of hydrogen? You can find in the periodic table. Here start from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the atomic number of the hydrogen? Right. I am asking you, what is the atomic number of hydrogen? Right. Hafsa, can you hear me? Is my voice clear for you? I think there may be a connection problem. Right. If it is clear, you chat me or you tell me that, then we can continue. Within 1 minute, the meeting is going to be end. After that, you can join in the same. Right. We are going to move to the next topic. The topic is electronic configuration. Electronic configurations means electrons are spread in many cells. In the middle, in the center of an atom, there is a nucleus. After that, first cell, second cell, third cell. We call that cells names. We call the name for the first cell is K, and the second one is L, and the third one is M, and the fourth one is N. Like that, we name this. First cell for K, second cell L, third for M, N. There cannot be the number of electrons exceed 2 in the first electrons, 8 in the second electrons, 8 in the third electrons, 32 in the fourth shell. Is it clear for you? Is that clear for you, Hafsa? Tell me, is this clear for you? Can you please reply? Is this clear for you? So we are going to move to the next one. The next topic is we are going to write the electronic configuration for elements. First one, I am going to write that hydrogen H1. So the atomic number of this hydrogen is 1. So H1. Then there is only one electron. The electron is in the first cell. So I put 1 here. Right. For the helium, what is the atomic number for helium? Can you please tell me, Hafsa, what is the atomic number for helium?
Two.
Yeah, what is the atomic number for helium?
Two.
Yes, very good. So the atomic number for helium is 2. Then how many electrons can be in the first cell? How many electrons can be found in the first cell?
5.
Only 2, right?
Two.
Only 2.
Sorry.
Yeah, very good. So there can be 2 electrons in the first cell. Next one, lithium? What is the atomic number of lithium? What is the atomic number of lithium?
3.
Yeah, 3. Then how many electrons can be found in the first cell? How many electrons can be found in the first cell? It cannot exceed the limit. How many electrons? Only 2 electrons. Only 2 electrons can be found in the first cell of the electron. Right. The balance is 1 electron. Total electrons are 3. And first shell there is 2 electrons. And another 1 electrons will be in the second cell. So the electronic configuration for the lithium is 2, 1. Did you understand this one? Did you understand this one? Did you understand this one? Did you understand? Please reply. For the lithium, first 2 electron and the last one 1 electron. Did you understand, Hafsa? I think there might be some coverage issues. Right. Now you tell me for the next element, helium. Helium, the atomic number for helium is 4. Now you tell me the electronic configuration of helium. Now you tell me the electronic configuration of helium. You tell me for the electronic configuration of helium. If you chat me or reply me, the voice is clear. Can you hear the voice? I am waiting for your reply. Here the coverage is okay. And if you are okay with the coverage issues or if there is no coverage issues, please chat me or tell me. The element helium.
2.
Okay, 2. Then the total number of electrons in the helium is 4. The atomic number is 4. Then you put 2 and the rest 2 will be in the second cell. So 2 comma 2. Is that clear for you? Please reply me. Is this clear for you? Right. Very good question. How can we say helium is 4? Right. Very good question. For that, we should number these elements. Earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we numbered the elements up to 20. One is the number, atomic number. The serial number is the atomic number. The periodic table have been arranged according to the increase in the atomic number. Hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4. Right. I'm sorry. Right. First one, hydrogen, helium, lithium. Hydrogen, helium, lithium. And the last one is beryllium. Right. Okay. It's my mistake. Last one is beryllium. Fourth one, beryllium. So 2, 2. Right. Very good question. And the next one is boron. I write the boron here. Boron. What's the atomic number for boron? Can you please tell me?
4,
Yes. Very good.
5,
Right. 5. So what is the electronic configuration for boron?
2,
2.
3,
Yes. Very good. 2, 3. Right. Next one. Carbon. What is the atomic number?
7, sorry, 6,
6. So what will be the electronic configuration?
2, 4.
2, 4. Next one?
Oxygen,
No. After carbon, there is?
nitrogen,
Yeah, nitrogen. Atomic number?
7,
Yes. Electronic configuration?
2, 5.
5. Very good. Next one?
Oxygen,
Oxygen?
8,
8. Yes. Electronic configuration?
2, 6,
2. Yes. 2, 6. Right. What's the next element?
fluorine,
Yeah. Fluorine. Atomic number?
9,
9. Okay.
2, 7.
2, 7. Very good. Right. Next one. What's the next one?
Neon,
Okay. Neon. Sorry.
10,
Atomic 10. Okay.
2, 8,
2, 8. Very good. Right. Next one. After neon, there is what's that? Next element.
sodium, 11,
Sodium 11. Okay. Electronic configuration?
2,
2.
2, 8, 1,
Right. Very good. 2, 8, 1. In the second cell, there cannot be after 2. Exceed more than 2. Sorry, there cannot be exceed more than 8. So that we put 1 here. Right. Now, can you please write for all the 20 elements? Can you send it to me? Can you
okay,
please
sir.
Can you please send in the WhatsApp group for electronic configuration for all 20 elements? Can you?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Very good. So this is the right. So we have studied this one. First one, periodic table, and second one, atomic number and electronic configuration, and how to identify the groups and how to identify the periods. Right. Now you have to understand one thing. If the last electron 1 that belongs to first group, if the last electron is 1 that belongs to first group, see that hydrogen belongs to first group, right? If the last electron is 2, that element belongs to second group. So right, except helium helium is in the 8th group. Other elements, right? See the lithium, if the last electron is 1, then what is the group of the lithium? What is the group of the lithium if the last electron is 1?
2,
2, 1. So the lithium is first group. is that hydrogen lithium or clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next one, beryllium. Last electron is 2. Last electron is 2. Now you tell me to which group beryllium belongs to?
Group number 2.
Right. Okay. Boron?
Group number 3.
Right. Carbon?
Group number 4.
Right. Okay. So like that you can understand, right? Right.
Yes, sir.
How to identify the number of periods? If there are electrons found in the first cell, that is first period. Here there is only one electron, so this one is a first period. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Here only 2 electrons, so that is also in first period, right? Because there is only one, the 2 electrons are found in the first shell, in the K cell, so that this is second group. Is that clear? Is that clear? So that helium belongs to first period. Is that clear? Can you please reply me? Can you please reply me? Can you please reply me? Right. Okay. You found the number of period and find which belongs to which group, and so that we can end our class. We shall wind up our class. Thank you for joining. Right. If there are any doubts, inform me via WhatsApp. Thank you.